happy Sunday to you. Well, we have some changes headed our way. Yesterday, high pressure dominating our weather. That's what's keeping things warm and dry. We hit 71 degrees, well above normal for this time of year, which is 49. But we're tracking a parade of storms that will move through this week. Not one, not two, but 3 storm systems set to move in for Thanksgiving week. So let's time things out for you. Cold front moving through. That's going to drop temperatures and also bring some snow to the high country later this afternoon through the evening hours overnight. Tonight, we could start to see a rain-snow mix in the Denver metro area right around dinner time. And as those temperatures slide, that rain will change over to snow. And we could see that linger through tomorrow morning before we see that clear out. Monday, we'll see clearer skies by the afternoon. And then on Tuesday, that next storm system moves in, really taking aim at the high country. The northern, central, and southern mountains could see moderate to heavy snow, making for some tricky travel on Tuesday. Now, by the time we get to Tuesday evening, we could start to see some of this slide to the front range and out across the eastern plains, starting as rain and then transitioning to snow. And by the time we get to Wednesday, our next storm system moves in, not only bringing moderate to heavy snow once again to the high country, but we could see widespread snow up and down the I-25 corridor and out across eastern plains. So here's how those totals stack up. By the time we get to tomorrow morning, 1 to 6 inches possible up in the high country, with anywhere from 1 to 2 inches along the I-25 corridor. Higher amounts over the Palmer Divide and out to the west. Most of us really only picking up a trace. Now on Tuesday, that next storm system really hammers the high country, and we could see close to a foot of snow in many locations. Now let's time out that Wednesday storm, because that is a big travel day. We will see widespread heavy to moderate snow in the northern, central, and southern mountains throughout the day. Here in the Front Range, we'll see snow as well, starting north, filtering down to the south. That will push out across the eastern plains, and we're expecting this to linger throughout the day on Wednesday. But by the time we get to Thanksgiving, a few morning flurries are possible, but then we will gradually see clearing by the afternoon with a little bit more sunshine. So what we're looking at as far as totals, by the time we get to Thanksgiving morning, we could pick up a couple of inches here in the metro area with heavier totals up in the high country. Before we get there, though, winter weather advisory is in place through tomorrow morning, where places like Rabbit Ears Pass could see some tricky travel, as well as Vail Pass. Temperatures will be cooler compared to yesterday, but still above normal today, in the 50s here in the Front Range, and even some low 60s mixed in. Tonight, though, we will fall into the 20s, that rain-snow mix, and then tomorrow, a bit cooler back behind that cold front, only in the 40s. On the Super 7-day forecast, big changes in store for us on Wednesday. First alert weather day possible. Temperatures slide into the 30s, Kennedy, and by the time we get to Thanksgiving, it's going to stay on the chilly side with a high of 36 degrees, but we will see that gradual clearing, and by the time we get to Friday, we're looking at some more sunshine.
All right, hoping for that sunshine. 36 on Thanksgiving. Whew.
All right. Good day to stay inside, eat turkey, and watch football.
Yep.